Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Keys. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to flash tune your car with a COBB access port on a 992 Carrera. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably have one of these in your hand. You've probably already made your decision, but if you haven't yet, be sure to check the video link down in the description below to our main YouTube channel, where we do a head-to-head comparison of APR, COBB, and M Engineering. With that, let's get started. Now, when it comes to tuning your car, you want to make sure that you have it on a battery charger. You don't want the car to die mid-flash. That is bad news. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open up our frunk. And if you haven't found your battery yet, you take this piece of plastic, you lift it up, you pull it out like that, and there's a little cut in the hood. Put it just like that, super convenient. Then using your battery charger of choice, we will have this one linked for you down below. You want to make sure that you hook this up. And this way we'll get all the juice we need. So then what you're going to do is you're going to plug in the included cord into your access port. If you don't have one of these, we have a link for you down below. Then once you've done that, you take the OBD port and you're gonna plug that in. It goes underneath the dash, kind of by your dead pedal. Once everything's plugged in, you're going to flip the car onto accessory mode with the key in the car and your foot off the brake. Then on your access port, you're going to be presented with this screen. It basically just shows you how to use the buttons. It's basically up, down, cancel, and accept. So we're gonna hit that middle button. And then you're presented with two options. You have install to install the access port to your vehicle, or you can do some diagnostics. But for today, we're going to install our tune. Okay, then you're going to make sure that your car matches here. Now, if you have a 4S like I do, as long as it's an S or a non-S, that's all that matters. It doesn't matter if it's two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. So we can continue through here. So as you can see, there's a few different maps. We have OEM Plus, we have Stage 0, Stage 1 91 octane, and Stage 1 93 octane. For today, this is the map that we want to select. So then we're going to click this middle button again. And when you get to this screen, it's just reminding you that you can't have another flash tune on the car. If you do, you have to have it reverted back to stock, which we do. Then we can hit the circle button one more time. At this screen, it's just reminding you that a 20 amp battery charger is required, which we already have hooked up. So we can hit continue again. Then it's going to generate the vehicle data, and then we'll be able to flash the car. All right, and as you can see, it's automatically starting the flash. Now, while this is flashing, it is very important to let you know that do not be alarmed if you have every light under the sun on the dash. Totally normal with any flash tune. Any of the errors, failures, and malfunctions that you see here will go away when the flash is complete. Then once your flash has finished, you want to turn off the car for about 10 or 15 seconds. Then after that amount of time, we're going to turn it back on and we're gonna hit the center button and clear any remaining codes. Okay, so then we can hit OK. It's gonna clear any remaining codes. And we are good to go. So as you've just seen, flashing your car with a COBB access port is a very simple, straightforward process. The process does take about 20 minutes, so be sure to have an appropriate battery charger on the car. Now, if you're interested to see what kind of numbers this thing actually puts down, we have a head-to-head comparison video on our main channel where we compare COBB with APR and M Engineering and give you some real-life dyno numbers. So be sure to see the link in the description for that, along with links to a COBB access port if you're interested in picking one up for your vehicle. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Keys. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at keys.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.